Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So here I have some stiletto nails from Tay, T-A-Y-E, off of Amazon, and I'm going in and applying a layer of Born Pretty's base coat to all nails, a thin layer, thin as possible, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So with this particular video, I purchased a kind of neon, or it was vibrant color, jelly nail set off of Amazon from the Born Pretty storefront. And so I was like, oh, these are so freaking pretty. I loved the colors. So I decided to purchase the set, and I wanted to do jelly nails using all of the colors in the kit. So we're gonna, once I cure that, we're going to get into this application because I wanted to do a jelly nail set, like ombre, vertical ombre. And so here is the kit. It came with 6 colors. Again, it's called Neon Garden Jelly Set, and I did purchase this again off Amazon. And so we're going to go ahead and get that open. There's 6 polishes that come in a little carton. I'm going to pop those out and get into it. And so with each color, I did go in order of the color. They're labeled 1 through 6, and so I once I get those out, I'm going to ombre the nails according to the numbers. And so I'm going to start with my thumbnail and end with my pinky nail. And so I have all of the bottles here, and so I'm going in with 1 and 2, which 1 is a vibrant or jelly green and 2 is a jelly yellow. And so I'm just applying that to half of the nail, and then I'm going in and polishing the yellow on the other half of the nail. And so I'm going to use the yellow brush to kind of blend those 2 colors together. And I do have an ombre brush that I really didn't have to use, and this ombre brush is from 𝒊𝒔𝒉. I really didn't have to use this ombre brush because the nail brush worked well. And off to the left, off out of frame, I do have a paper towel so that before I brush the brush that I used to ombre, before I place it back in the bottle, I'm wiping that off on a paper towel. So now I'm going in with 2 and 3. 2 is that yellow, and 3 is a nice jelly neon pink. I thought it was so pretty. That was my favorite color out of the set, outside of the blue. And so I could have just used the pink brush again to ombre that. Here I'm just using that 𝒊𝒔𝒉 ombre brush just to kind of blend that line to try and keep it from being so harsh. And so I'm going to repeat that, going 3 and 4, 4 and 5, and 5 and 6 on each of the nails. So just hang out with me while I do this vertical ombre on each nail. Okay, and after that last nail, now listen, that purple and blue ombre was pretty to me. They were all pretty to me, let me be clear. And so after I get those cured for 60 seconds, I'm going in and repeating the process on each nail, making sure to kind of blend that to the best of my ability. So we're going to repeat the process. Just hang out with me, and then once I get all of the nails coated again, I'm going to pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds. just to mention, I am an affiliate of Born Pretty. I do have a discount code that you can use on their website. I'll have that in the description box below. And so as I mentioned, here's that paper towel while I was wiping the nail brush off onto the side before I placed the brush back into the bottle. And so here are the nails after curing with the second coat. You can do this for as many coats as you want to, but I think 2 was fine. They are jelly colors. And so I have a glitter top coat from my cart because I wanted to give these nails something a little extra. I wanted to put some glitter on top. And so this top coat is a 60-second cure, and it does have like a light gold shimmer to it and with a light pink base, but it did not affect the color of the jelly polishes. And so I'm just polishing that on top. Now off to the side, I am I think wiping my brush off on a lint-free paper towel because these gel polishes are not they're from 2 different companies, and so I don't want to contaminate my Macart glitter top coat with what is in the Born Pretty top coat, and not top coat, Born Pretty polish. And so I'm not too worried about them not working together. They worked well. I'm not polishing my real nails. These are artificial nails, and I do no, I did not wipe my brush off. And I do apply these to the nail using sticky tabs. And so once I get that top coat on all nails, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here are the nails after curing in the lamp. The top coat added a nice shimmer to the nail, really subtle. So I'm going in with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue and some AB rhinestones that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to apply cuticle rhinestones to each nail. I only do 1 on camera. I do the rest off camera, curing after each nail. So I'm just applying that to the cuticle area, and then I'm going to place the rhinestones and then cure each nail individually for 60 seconds. And the reason why I'm curing individually is because I don't want the rhinestones to move. So here are the nails. I thought they were pretty. And so again, as I mentioned, I do apply these with sticky tabs. So coming up are the nails on my hand. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Look at my crooked middle finger. And subscribe to my channel. It is still free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.